Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Quick Launch button into your VIVO V20. First step, open your settings. Secondly, in the search, write Quick, this one. And then from the list, need choose Quick Action, this one. And on the top, Quick to turn on. And now we got open camera for Quick Launch. So when we press and hold volume down button, need to block our screen, and now press and hold, and camera is open. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.